Under a year ago, my wife wanted a small herb garden, so we made one. Now it's time to harvest, and now she needs a drying tray for her herbs. So let's go make one. So I've got some material left from the little herb garden that I made her almost a year ago. All these products are available at Makro's on their online store. So let's get into it. So I'm going to take the box that I still have left from the herb garden and I'm going to cut it into size. Remember, safety first. Mind your fingers. I've got some of this plant frost scrub cover left from the herb garden, so you want to make sure it fits your box completely to size. So make sure when you cut it, you cut against the line of the box. Once you've flipped it back, make sure that you cover it properly and then go to each corner and poke a hole through. You can take your utility knife and just make a hole in each corner. So once you've done this, make sure you cut 4 pieces of string. You can also use small zip ties that will actually work better. I just didn't have any on hand. While I go get my wife to come and look at the tray, let's talk about the sponsor of today's video. Alpha Graphics is a digital marketing firm specializing in social media marketing, graphic design, and website design. This company specializes in making your business look good, perform good, and looking at its optimal best. And today's world, referrals are extremely important. You need to know if a company is actually doing the work. Can they do what they say they will deliver? And with Alpha Graphics, they've got referrals everywhere, people. They've got from Cape Town up to Jozi, KZN, it doesn't matter. They can take your business and pinpoint your target market to anywhere that your heart desires. Look no further than Alpha Graphics. Go to their website, go to contact us, and go and fill in the form and click select. Someone will contact you immediately and get you on the right track for your business to grow to be a huge success. Alpha Graphics, your vision brought to life.